Today we will do exhaust gas cleaning system. Now from 1st January this year, there's a regulation that all ships have to use either low sulfur fuel oil or exhaust gas cleaning system. This is for deep sea IMO regulation. So ships which are fitted with exhaust gas cleaning system, this is also known as scrubber because seawater is used to scrub the exhaust gases from the main engine. And on some ships, even the generators are exhaust gas of generators are also scrubbed with seawater. So this scrubber is something like what we have inert gas scrubber on tankers. Here also the exhaust gas of the boiler, this is sent to the scrubber, and in the scrubber tower, this is called a scrubber tower. The exhaust gas is sent inside the scrubber tower, and here you have seawater from a saltwater pump which mixes with this hot exhaust gas and absorbs all the carbon which is soot and all the sulfur, and then the gas is sent to the cargo tanks. This is in tankers. So these cargo tanks are this exhaust gas after the scrubber unit is called inert gas, and this inert gas is sent to the cargo tanks. So this is in tankers. Almost the same thing is done in the ships now, but in the ships, the exhaust gas from the main engine and also on some ships the generator exhaust gas is sent to the scrubber tower. Again, carbon and sulfur is removed, and also some harmful gases like carbon monoxide is also removed, and the resultant is then passed out in the atmosphere. So in case of any malfunction, you get an alarm in the exhaust gas cleaning system in the engine room. If you have to do some maintenance on this system, then you have to change over to low sulfur fuel oil and then carry out the maintenance. Later on, you can again change over to exhaust gas cleaning system. So this is for deep sea. But if you are entering port, you have to follow the local regulations. Some ports do not allow exhaust gas cleaning system with the open loop. Open loop type. Open loop means the salt water after the scrubber is pumped overboard. That is open loop. Now this salt water which is pumped overboard contains sulfur which has been absorbed. So sulfur plus water gives you sulfuric acid. So dilute sulfuric acid is pumped overboard. So it causes some pollution of the sea which some ports do not allow. But this system is allowed in the deep sea because the pollution is very small. On old ships where scrubber unit has is being fitted or has been fitted in within the last 1 or 2 years, you will find an extra funnel. For example, this is the normal funnel, and here you might find another funnel. So this is the aft funnel. So since 1st January, this funnel is not being used because this regulation came from 1st January. So all these exhaust gases are passed to the aft funnel, which has got a scrubber tower. This is a scrubber tower. And here there is the scrubber unit, and After being cleaned, then this gas is passed to the atmosphere. So this is about EGCS.